guys, it's Rhonda. I thought I would stand here today so you guys could see my tree in the background. I love having a Christmas tree up. But I've been getting this question a lot, so I just wanted to come on in here live today and just explain it to you. So if you've been watching my posts lately or things I've been doing for the past couple months, I'm in a program, right, that's helping me build a business online and be successful online. Hey, Jenny Ann, thanks for jumping on. And anyways, hi, Daria. I get asked this question a lot. They're like, you're always talking about tasks. You're doing the tasks. Hey, Ann, good to see you. And so I get this question all the time. Well, what kind of tasks are you doing? What do you mean tasks, right? So, hey, Jerry, nice to see you. So tasks are truly like your IPAs in your business. We just say tasks because it's the same thing, right? You're doing a task, you're doing your income producing activities. So, hi, Donna. So anyways, it's actually very simple. All the tasks that we do are meant to help us brand ourselves, get out there, be promoting ourselves the right way, right? So people come to us using attraction marketing techniques, because the whole point is, yeah, like taking out the trash, which I'm sure you don't do, right, Jerry? Does your wife do it for you? Just kidding. But anyways, so IPAs are important, right? You have to be focusing on the right things so your business is growing all the time. So this is why we call them tasks. And if we do our tasks that we're supposed to be doing and focusing on the right way, our business is going to grow. We're going to brand ourselves, right? People are going to be coming to us more, which is the whole point. I'm sure you do, Jerry. Just kidding. So anyways, what are some of these tasks that we do, right? Anyways, so here's some of the tasks. I wrote them down because I didn't want to forget, because I tend to do that. So some of the tasks we do are we attend our weekly webinars, right? We want to attend them. We want to invite people to them, right? So that's another task we do. We don't go into Messenger and send out all these messages to people saying, come to our webinar. No, that's not the right way, right? That's kind of bugging people and being a spammy pammy, right? So we don't want to do that. So what we'll do is we take our webinar banners that we have and we post those in our story every week on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, because our weekly webinars are on Wednesdays. So this way people are interested. Hey, Helen, they're going to come to us or they're going to jump on the webinar. So that's our task. We attend the webinars and we put our webinar banners up in our stories for people to see if they're interested in what we're doing online or how we're branding ourselves or using, these attraction marketing techniques. So anyways, what's another thing? We attend weekly trainings, almost weekly. Sometimes they might be every 10 days or something like that. But anyways, we attend our trainings. Trainings are extremely important, right? You want to constantly be refreshing yourself, maybe going over things that you might have forgotten, right? Because you took the training and then you've been implementing, but maybe you forgot a couple little things, so it's always good to have reminders. And then constantly learning new things so you can advance your business, right? So extremely important to attend the trainings. And you know what? People are still working, right? Or have other things going on. So if you miss a training, you can always catch the replays. The replays are in our back office. So that's one of the other tasks that we do, which is help grow in ourselves, right? We need to constantly keep growing so we can grow online and grow our businesses, and stuff like that. So that's one of the other tasks. I'm so glad, Helen. I'm glad you've learned a lot. I've learned a lot too. It's been eye-opening, like things I've never been taught before in the past 6 years. So what is another one of our tasks? So another one of our tasks is to participate in our group, right? We want to support each other. We want to, show the things that we're having success in. Post our success that we're having in the group. Everybody's posting their success. It's, helping each other out, and the group is super active and it's a great place to be. So that's another thing to do. That's our task, is to participate in our group. Oh, thanks, Helen. That's so sweet. Hey, Better. Nice to see you. Joining all the way from London. I love it. So what's another thing that we do? We also have a chat for our members. So we participate in that chat, and what we're doing is helping each other stay connected, right? A place to go if you need something or you need help, right? So that's another one of our tasks, is to make sure that we're there, that we're plugged in, right? We want to be plugged into the right places so that we're getting the information we need and the help that we need, right? So that's extremely important. So that's another one of our tasks that we do. The other one of our tasks that we do is it's the way we post, right? So we want to post our successes. Hey, Ed, I hope you're feeling better. Post our successes, right? Things that have been happening for us in our business, you know, proofs, right? Because proof trumps all, as our mentor likes to say. And I just love that because it is totally true. You know, proof trumps all. Show our proof, like, of the successes that we're having with this program and how it's helping us grow our business. Hi, Zara. Hi, Anda. Good to see you. So we're going to post our successes so that people can see the success we're having. I'm not just telling them, you know, oh, I'm making money. Okay, but are you really making money? You know, I'm going to show it. I'm going to show the successes I'm having with like my engagement, like going up, and how many people are now engaging on, you know, my posts, on the content I put out there, because obviously engagement is important, because the more engagement you have, the more Facebook is going to push out your content, so even more people see it, right? And that's the whole point, is getting that organic traffic, people to see the things that we're doing. So that's what we do, that's another one of our tasks, which is an income producing activity for our businesses and branding ourselves online. So we're going to do that. We're going to post our proofs. We're going to post proofs on our timelines and also on our stories. We utilize our stories a lot because that's the upcoming thing, and it's a great way to push out your content also to people that you're not friends or connected to on Facebook. So we're going to post our proof, and then we're going to share it. Right? We're going to share it to different groups that we're participating in that allow it. Obviously, you know, certain groups have certain guidelines you have to follow on Facebook. So you want to make sure that you're always following the guidelines. And oh, I'm glad, Don, I'm so glad your engagement has gone up. It's so exciting when that finally starts happening. You feel like you're finally getting some traction, right? And people are seeing your stuff online. So that's another thing we do, is we post our proof, and we share it into different groups where it's allowed. So, and you're taught how to do that and how to find these groups and how to find the right people to connect with, right? So anyways, it's that simple. And these steps are all laid out for you in a simple step-by-step process. Like, it's so easy. We have people who have never had any success online or are just starting to work online that are having success. And we also have people that are extremely successful, but they're coming in here and learning new things that they have never been taught before either in any other program. And it's helping their business even be more successful, right? That's what it's all about. So it's a great group. We have a great vibe. We have a lot of support. Like, if you don't know how to do something, somebody is always there and willing to help you and share. It's all about, you know, what you give out is what you get back, right? Online. So it really promotes that whole ideal. But I love it. And I just wanted to come on here and do this short little video just so I could just go over what some of the tasks are, when I'm always saying, you know, complete simple tasks. And that's how you get paid. You complete these simple tasks that are actually your IPAs, and it helps build your business. So I hope this helps clear that up. And if you have any questions about this program, just, you know, send me a message. I'll be happy to share that information with you. And thanks for everybody that jumped on live here. If you are catching the replay, I probably should have said this earlier, but if you are catching the replay, say hi, you know, say replay, say where you're joining in from. I say, oh, hey, Charnel, she's joining us from Texas, so I missed that somehow. But anyways, thank you all for watching, and, you know, please comment if you're catching the replay, and I'd love to come back and say hi to you if you're catching this video later, and I will be talking to you guys later. Hope everybody has a wonderful Thursday, See you soon.